If Microsoft Edge is showing the error_connection_failed error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This can happen because of a proxy issue, bad cache data, VPN conflicts, DNS problems, or a broken Edge network setting. The good news is you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to reset the Windows proxy settings. To do that, click the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the command needs admin access to make system-level changes. Once the command prompt opens, type net /ynhtp reset proxy and then press Enter. This command clears any proxy configuration that could be blocking Microsoft Edge from connecting properly. After it runs, you should see a confirmation message that the proxy settings were reset. Now let's clear your browser data. Open Microsoft Edge, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That will bring up the clear browsing data window. From there, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time to make sure everything is fully cleared. Then click Clear Now. This step is helpful because corrupted cookies or cache files can sometimes cause connection errors and stop pages from loading correctly. Next, if you're using a VPN, temporarily turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with how Microsoft Edge connects to websites, especially if the VPN server is having issues or changing your network routing. So pause or disconnect your VPN completely, then try opening the website again in Edge. If the error goes away, then the VPN was likely the cause. If you're still getting the error, we'll refresh your DNS cache next. Go back to Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears old network lookup data that may be pointing Edge to the wrong place. Once the command completes successfully, restart Microsoft Edge and try loading the page again. A lot of connection issues disappear after flushing DNS because your computer gets a fresh start with website lookups. Now let's move on to the Microsoft Edge repair option in Control Panel. Open Control Panel on your computer and find Microsoft Edge in the list of installed apps or programs. Right-click Microsoft Edge, then choose the Change or Repair option if it appears. If you see a repair option, use that first because it can fix broken browser files without removing your data. Follow the prompts and let Windows complete the process. This can repair damaged Edge components that may be causing the connection failed error. Once that's done, reopen Microsoft Edge and test the website again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the error_connection_failed issue. If the problem is still there, it may be worth checking your internet connection, firewall settings, or trying the site in another browser to see if the issue is specific to Edge. But for many users, resetting the proxy, clearing cache and cookies, turning off the VPN, flushing DNS, and repairing Edge will do the trick. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Edge, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful computer tips, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.